Our topic for today is all about this Schneider off delay timer, conventional delay timer on delay. Okay, this is a accessories to our contactors. Okay, something like this attachment, or this is the replacement for the auxiliary contact if you want a timer. Okay, just pull that up and then you can remove these accessories. Okay, when activating this one, you will simultaneously activate this on delay or off delay. Okay, off delay, this one, I connect LED light to the normally open 57 and 58. When it close, it will illuminate, that is 220. Okay, it will close. This is the setting, 10 seconds, almost 10 seconds. This one, when this part is connected to this contactor, when the contactor activates like this, it will pull this part of the timer. Okay, this is off delay, right? Off delay, 10 seconds. Then we will simulate. This is conventional. Unlike a digital, you need a 220 to supply this one. This one is not. It's only accessories for this contactor. When activate the contactor, as well as this one will activate. We try off delay. When we pull this one, it means the normally open will close. Then illuminate this LED light. When I release this part, release the relay, it counts 1 to 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3 before it's turning off this LED. Okay, we will wait for actual, see, 10 seconds, because this is 10 seconds. Example, it will activate again, then deactivate, counting 10 seconds. If this activates again, it restarts the counting before you release. Okay, okay, 1, 2, 3. If you activate again, it will stop the counting, and then release, start counting 10 seconds, because this is off delay. As you can see, this is conventional. We will wait until this conventional timer will deactivate. See, this is only the accessories for this one, off delay. Again, we will tackle about this on delay. What is on delay? Off delay, when you activate, when you release, it will start counting. Then on delay, we will try. Okay, for this one, on delay, we'll set to 5 seconds. Same accessories for this contactor. Okay, we will activate. If this activates, it will start counting. Okay, we will activate 1, 2, 3. Okay, release. Okay, it will release almost. Set to 5 seconds. Okay, it will increase almost. Okay, like that, increase. Okay, again we will activate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and release. Okay, it means this setting is 6 seconds. When you pull, it starts to count before it will close this normally open. Okay, Okay, again. When you pull this one, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then release. He starts counting. Thank you very much.